Here we have our Qianli Apollo Interstellar 1 module, and we're going to show you in this particular case how we can transfer all the data from the existing broken screen to the replacement screen. So we have our replacement screen here, and we'll show you that in a minute, but what we're going to do is transfer all the data, and this is going to transfer True Tone and all the relevant data. Later on, we're also going to transfer the home button. So this is just going to show you how the Interstellar 1 works. It's the Apollo Interstellar 1 by Qianli. And so when you turn it on and you connect your existing screen, this is the broken screen. I'll show that to you here. You can see the cracks on there. You're going to have everything populate just like you see it on the screen. And then with these buttons down here, you're going to move, and you can see how the menu is moving up and down. So what we want to do is we want to read the data from this screen, and then we're going to write the data into the other screen. So we're going to read it from here first, and when we connect the next screen, we're going to go into the write the data. So we're on the blue read underlying data. We're going to press OK to select it, and as you can see, it's starting to read it. And right there, it's telling you it's already done, and you can see that little yellow saved right there at the bottom. That means it already saved the data into the module. Then what we need to do is disconnect the screen, and since the data is already in there, we're now going to connect the replacement screen. So here is the replacement screen. We just need to connect it just like so. Okay, so it's already connected there, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to write the data into the new screen that's going to go into your phone. So you see it's writing the data. Right now, data write is completed, so this is already done. Now this screen will now have True Tone, which is a cool thing. So we're going to install the screen in just a little bit, but it does have True Tone already in there. And one thing we wanted to show you about the new module from Qianli, it is very lightweight. If you hold it in your hand, it is very lightweight. It does charge now using USB-C instead of the Lightning. And a lot of the things that we would have to check for before is already on here, instead of having an additional board. Like for example, if you wanted to check if your Lightning cable was a real Apple certified cable versus one that's not, so you want to check if it's MFI certified. Connections already on here, so you can test the cables without having to put another board. I know my other Qianli model used to have to use another board. No longer the case here. You have a USB connection here, and then of course you charge it at the bottom. And I don't know what this is for, but it looks like you can hang it on your, if you walk around with a tool belt and you just want to have this hanging on the side of your tool belt or whatever. It is very light. You don't feel it as heavy as the other model. So wanted to show you how to transfer the data from a broken screen, the original screen, to an existing screen using the module. Again, this is the Qianli Apollo Interstellar 1, as you can see there. And we just showed you how to transfer the data on to the new screen. So it does, I just looked at this right now, it does have some instructions, so you'll get to see all the features in there, and it is in English, which I like that. It does start off by showing you about True Tone. So I'm going to be reading this pretty soon and checking it out. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.